The Money in the Bank dangles 20 feet above the ring, and all 6 of these competitors will sacrifice life and live to get it.
Here they go! Oh, man, that spear came out of nowhere!
And again, he gets stuck with that object. That'll do some damage.
Oh, my gosh, his neck and back and shoulders took right into the ground. He's enjoying this. Look at the size of that ladder. Oh! Ow! You'll be feeling that in the morning. He's not done with that ladder yet. Look at this! The briefcase is within reach!
Good God, what a suplex from the ladder.
This could be the difference maker.
And that implement clicks again.
And the gangster hits it.
These superstars battling it out for the opportunity to rip down that briefcase and get a championship opportunity.
And there's the ladder. Oh my God, what a sickening impact for that sledgehammer. This isn't the way. This isn't the way you want to win.
Who would do this? Who would do this to another man?
This is an absolute war. Oh man, that briefcase is so close. This could be it.
And he gets dumped unceremoniously from the ladder.
He's spending more time outside the ring than in it.
And the agile R-Truth lands a hard right.
And there's the ladder. Oh, look at this! DDT!
Moving on pure instinct now. What will it take to finish this superstar? Here's another huge shot.
He catches him with the axe handle. CM Punk won't quit. I can't believe the motor in this guy.
I think you can be going home with the Money in the Bank briefcase right here. Oh my God, that's got to be at least a 12-foot drop.
Oh, what a shot. Ooh, that one rocked him.
Oh, not again, not again.
And there's the ladder.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other. And R-Truth is in deep trouble.
He's going up the ladder. And there's the ladder. And he gets taken right off the ladder.
Good grief, that'll knock the wind right out of you. We might be seeing the beginning of the end. I don't think there's any lengths that these superstars won't go to achieve victory here tonight. Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there.
Now with a chair. You hear how his leg connected?
An incredible dive as he hits the senton.
And he's got a hold of that steel chair.
If you haven't done it yet, check out WWE.com. You'll find updates and blogs from all your favorite superstars.
Oh my gosh, he's almost got the briefcase.
A big fall, and all the air might be driven out of him.
And there's the ladder. Wow, if he keeps this up, this could be over quick. A suplex like that takes a lot of power and delivers a lot of impact. And there's the ladder. Right now, his head must be screaming in agony.
There's a lot of things under the ring, and all of them hurt.
And there's the ladder.
MVP could be moments away from being completely out of this contest.
And there's the ladder.
Ouch, he's going to be bruised from the head to the toe before this one's over. And it looks like he's decided to climb that ladder.
If he gets that briefcase, this one's over.
Oh, God.
Baxter wins.
Here's your winner. I just can't stop the feeling. Don't seem to go away. So if I hurt your feelings, don't blame it on me. I just can't stop the feeling. Nothing else to say. You know they're here to stay. So if I hurt your feelings, you can go away. It's just because I'm
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, and it is for the World Heavyweight Championship. And introducing the challenger, from San Diego, California, weighing 165 pounds, Rey Mysterio. His opponent, the World Heavyweight Champion, Kane.
Oh, boy. Look at the goal. This should be an outstanding match.
And this one should blow the roof off the house.
And he gets leveled. The shoulders are down.
Nails the head scissor.
Oh, man. All that weight just comes crashing down.
Just twisting the neck in a sickening way. The power of Kane.
Oh! Oh, what a shot!
What a kick that was.
A grazing shot there.
This is it. Here he goes. There it is. A huge 619. And this has got to be it.
1, 2. He's reeling. Wow, what a head scissor. What a vicious kick. Will it be? What? And will this be it? What?
He got body on body there, but that's about it. And he's out of the ring again. I don't think there's any lengths that these superstars won't go to achieve victory here tonight. The demented Kane is like a wounded beast now, just trying to survive.
A stiff shot with the elbow.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other. Mysterio to the top rope, doing what he does best. I think he's through playing around.
I don't believe it. 619. 1, 2, 3.
Ray wins. Rey Mysterio did it.
Here's your winner and the new World Heavyweight Champion, Rey Mysterio.
We have a new champion. Unbelievable. What a match in a...
I just can't stop the feelings, don't seem to go away. So if I hurt your feelings, don't blame it on